And our love Hashra is just like, oh my gosh, he's so cool, he's so cool, he's so cool. Do you want to make eye contact with the person you're speaking to right now? Boy, if you... What's up, dears? Lehxra here, back with Season 2, Episode 2 of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. So, last episode, we got to know more about Rengoku and his, like, just more of his personality, more of who he is as a character. He's really cool and, kind of loud, maybe a little obnoxious, but he's cool. He's great. He's great. He saved those people. He didn't have to. Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of his job. But he saved them, and yeah, they're, you know, alive. So we're getting more into what I think is known territory in the Mugen Train arc starting from this episode, I believe. So yeah, I really want to just like speed through it, but no, I'm gonna watch it, check out for things that I haven't seen. Plus, it's been some time since I've seen it anyway, so check it out. Episode 2. It had a title, I don't remember what it was. Oh, you know, you're so dumb. I mean, shoot, it might be. Ooh, yeah, cinematography, let's work it, work it, work it. Oh, we've got the opening theme, opening theme, opening theme. That train looks so good. Lisa likes doing that, huh? Where like the verse and then like the chorus are like kind of like really, maybe not dramatically different, but like, I don't know, different. But it's still like the same, I don't know. Oh, that looks so cool. No, but why that train looks so good? I'll be forgetting, you know, has a last name. Okay. You're not gonna yell in my ear, are you? Zenitsu has it worse. Oh, you're gonna have such a bad time. And our love Hashra is just like, oh my gosh, he's so cool, he's so cool, he's so cool. Okay. Never mind. I don't know. Do you want to make eye contact with the person you're speaking to right now? Or I don't know. Yeah, he's very caring. He's great. Boy, if you... Stop. What foliage pack y'all got? It looks so nice. Yeah! Excellent. Yeah? What's it smell like? It's stanky. Slap him, wake him up. Something's wrong. Ah! Do it. Oh. Ooh. Your flame's kind of sexy. Ooh. I bet that sounded so cool in theaters. Oh, well, okay. Be flexible then. Show off, I guess. Oh, did we need all the sounds too? That's Daddy Long Arms. I love the thickness of their line art. It's so pretty. It's sexy. Yes. I'm just really into like thick lines. Some thick lines. They thick. Aniki! Wait, are you actually saying this, Tanjiro? Is this actually happening? Stop! They saw how sexy his swordsmanship is. They're like, yes, please teach. You're sleeping on top of him. Yeah, okay. Boy, I bet you heavy too. How much that head weigh? It's a kid. You good? You know? Like, did you put him to sleep, or did you kill him? Sleepy baby. That still look nice. That got me out here wanting to go make a landscape. I should. My student version of Maya is like about to expire. They were so cute. He's like, wait, what? Little siblings? That tackle was so strong it could have killed him. The ponytail's back! The ponytail's back! It was so cute. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I kind of like your outfit though. You had two pretty parents. Made all these pretty kids. Stop talking. That's really just a really nice model. Such a good model. Love the train. I keep talking about the train. It's sexy. Oh, tell us. Does that mean like pupils? Oh no, we're falling asleep. Should have been. Okay, that was fun. So we've all been put to sleep in this dream world by the lower what number was it? 1? I don't know. Whatever freaking demon that dude was. And his freaking annoying voice. I don't like his voice. I'm sorry. But yeah, we got put to sleep by him. The whole train's just sleeping. And so these kids, they tie themselves up to them, our main cast. So what's gonna happen? I wonder. That was a great episode. I was just, you know, just going crazy over the art direction and just like the art in general. The cinematography, just like everything really. The sound design was great. Everything's just it's just so good. Like, bro, like how much money goes into this? How many millions goes into this? This is a lot for great quality entertainment. Okay, so that's gonna be it for me. Check out the stuff that's up there. It's always in the description below if you're on YouTube. I'll see you dear sometime soon. Bye bye.